Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to break down for you how you can clear your site cookies automatically in the Brave browser whenever you close the Brave browser. So let us dive into this. All right, guys, as you probably know, you can always delete your browsing data, including your site cookies, manually here on a Brave browser. However, guys, if you'd like to let the Brave browser do this automatically whenever you close it, so that you don't have to do this manually, this is how you can do it. Navigate to your privacy and security settings on Brave browser, and from there click into delete browsing data, and from that menu switch to the on exit tab here, and from that menu below simply select the cookies and other site data option and click into save. So now if I close the Brave browser, all of the cookies and cookie site data from that browsing session will be automatically deleted, so that I may start Brave browser again with fresh new cookie settings. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.